Cricut Design Space has been updated with a new feature on the mobile app. I'm showing this on the iPad. It's the offset feature. If you've been using it on your computer, you're going to love it. Now we can use it on our mobile app. So I am going to grab a font that I like in here. And just type up the word offset. And drag that down here and let's load it. Okay, so this will show you what an offset can do. Click on your text, and then you're going to go to the bottom of your screen. There's an edit button. Click on that. This is where you can change the font styles and the size and even the color. Let's just do that real quick. There we go. So now over towards the right, you'll see a shape that has a dashed line around it that says offset. I'm going to click on that. A new screen opens up. This pink line that you see around it is showing where the offset will be. So if I use the slider button, make that offset bigger. And I really like that it gives you a preview of how big that offset is, so you can really play with it and decide what you want to do. The next line down says corner. So you can either make it a smooth rounded corner or a sharper, harsher corner. Since this font has curves to it, I'm going with the curved one. The next section says weld offsets. If we look right now, you can see on the pink lines where the offset layer is going to overlap each other. Right now, the way we have it set up, it's going to cut that shadow offset layer separate for each letter. If we wanted to join them together, now you can see it removed those spaces or cuts between the different letters. So it's all one. I'm happy with the way this looks, so I'm going to click done. I can then go to my layers panel, and right there is the offset layer. So I could change that to a different color and hit apply. I could then just select that offset layer and say edit and add another offset. So now you can see it's adding a second offset to my first one. It's not giving me the option of welding or not welding because, it's not giving me the option because I welded the offset together. It's defaulting that this offset will be also welded together. So now I can add another one, and I can change under edit. There we go. The color of that one. This would be a great way to take names and add offsets of different colors to put on water bottles. You can also use the same idea for making scrapbook layout titles. Makes your letters pop sometimes if they have an offset and more layers to them. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and drop me a comment. Let me know what features or functions of Cricut Design Space you want me to talk about next. Thanks.